we are all smiles because you can't frown on a Friday. Weekend has begun. This is my weekend face.
Training's over.
Nope, I still have one more day. Anyway, nothing about work, can I, Michelle? It's Friday. And it's after work, so we don't talk about work. Not until Monday morning. So we are out trying to run some errands before the storm hits. We're supposed to get it pretty bad from the, what is it? Tropical storm Cindy. So we are out trying to hurry and get some errands ran. Well, my hair's sticking up too. I guess it goes this way. And the girls are back there. So Libby's looking at houses. I think we got her on board, but we haven't really got Kanda on board about selling. Don't really need their approval, but it's great if your kids are excited with you.
I'm not ready to move.
So anyhow, hopefully I can run out. We're going to get some organization totes and little baskets and things. I'm going to work on a few projects since it's supposed to rain the majority of the day tomorrow.
And then we can.
My mom was going to come, but I'm not really sure. That's up in the air now. So if she doesn't come, I'll definitely be working on the project and get a few things done in our current home. John found him a deal at Lowe's, so we are first going to Lowe's.
And we have to pick up some stuff at Harbor Freight today, so I have some stuff to be working on a project tomorrow.
It's called a desk.
Okay, he's just out springing Harbor Freight on me, so he's telling me I have less than 3 hours, but he's taking 2 stores, so we'll see. I highly doubt I'll be done at 8. I didn't know you had 2 to go to.
It's going to be real quick. I mean, I'm in and out of the stores really quick.
Except Lowe's.
Lowe's is 1 item. 2 items.
But you're not in and out quickly.
If there's nobody in line checking out, yeah.
You would go to the self-checkout if you only had 2 things.
They don't have self-checkouts.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, yeah, they do. My stuff is out in the garden area, so they don't have self-checkouts out there.
Like you told me last night.
Yeah.
We will see. We will see.
We don't know what's happening. What happened.
10 minutes.
Okay, we'll time you. We'll time you. It's race against the clock today. And all the kids care about is food. Like, what are we eating? What are we eating?
Subway, eat fresh. Something like that.
Okay, so it is 5:14. Are you ready? Are you ready? Go! Well, he took Kanda with him. He needs like we'll give him like a 5-minute start because
No, 1 minute.
I know, but when he takes Kanda with him, it's really hard for him to focus.
Daddy said whenever he takes Kandiland with him, she doesn't talk, she doesn't touch, and she doesn't.
She does walk away and she does her own thing. Yes, she does.
Well, he told me that.
So, we'll see. It was 5:14. So, it is 5:25.
No, it's actually 5:24.
So it took you 11 minutes.
Oh,
We should have made you wager and guess how long it would take. How can we come back empty-handed?
Oh, because it was so long. This woman, she was just filling out a check.
Okay.
It don't take that long to fill out a check.
Listen.
So why did you give up though? You needed the mulch.
He said he was going to get it at, they didn't have it.
They were out of the mulch, and they had 7 dust that I needed. And that's why it didn't take me not even 5 minutes to go in there and get that, and to find out that they were out of the mulch. And we've been standing in line for that long. And
a man in front of us asked us.
I gave up because I mean took that long for them to check her out, and then she was going to pay with a check. She's still writing a check. And then there was one other person ahead of us.
He said, you can go first since you only have one thing.
It ain't worth the wait. I'll just get the only reason I was getting the dust there was because I was getting the mulch there. And out of the mulch, there wasn't no use of waiting in line. I'll just get the 7 dust at Walmart.
What is that?
Kill bugs?
Yeah, kills bugs on your trees and plants.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have these like June bugs on our trees that is eating our plants. Well, they're not mine, they're yours.
Yeah, they're eating our dogwoods and our rose bushes.
How long do you think it'll be in Harbor Freight?
I said it's. I said.
Any wager?
I said it's Monday through Wednesday.
I'll get in there and get my stuff and be out in 10 minutes.
He told me what time it is, and I said it's
Okay.
5:20.
We'll see.
I mean, 10 minutes, I'll be in and out. It's just
We'll see.
as long as
So now he's gonna blame others.
it ain't my fault.
No, but that's part of shopping. You gotta take that into consideration. How long will it take you, do you think?
There's gonna be a woman in front of you filling out a check.
If that's the case.
You have to time travel with your mind and make sure that there's not going to be a woman in front of you while you're checking out, filling out a check.
It's Harbor Freight, so most likely there's not going to be a woman in Harbor Freight.
That's true.
Unless the man goes.
And I'm really surprised people write checks anymore at retail stores.
Yeah, that woman, she keeps on asking the person, what's the date? What's the date?
Oh, was she older? Okay, you all.
I didn't. I didn't give her a hard time.
That's mean. Her mind isn't as quick as it used to
But
be.
she had 2 men there.
It's okay. That's so mean.
How's it old?
Someday you're gonna be old and slow. Both of you.
Hurry up today.
Hey, Dad'd be older than me.
Alright. Well, we'll see what time it is when it gets to Harbor Freight. It is
5:33, so we're
5:33.
Say
45.
Yeah, round up.
45.
34.
10 minutes. 10 minutes, y'all.
5:33.
They're probably going in that store, zipping, and people's looking at them like, you are crazy. Like, what are you in a hurry for? You're on a race.
Is your mom?
Oh, it's almost like that supermarket game show. I can't remember what it was called, but I used to watch it. I liked that supermarket game show where you had to shop for certain items. Can't remember the whole thing about
So
it.
you had to shop for certain items?
Yes, we will have to watch it on YouTube.
What is it? Can
It's
you
a
show me for just a minute?
supermarket game show.
Can you show me a little
My
bit?
nose is itching. Yeah. Supermarket sweep. And I found a YouTube video.
Hello to you. Welcome to Supermarket Sweep. Well, we are ready to play our game, so let's get our contestants started with their 3-minute-and-a-half.
So let's see.
There it is.
I used to watch this. But anyway, I wanted to update you. I figured out the name.
Pick up another 10 seconds.
So it is 5:59 and he's not technically back yet.
He's 25 minutes late.
Okay, so he's physically at the truck. So 6 o'clock.
Sorry, I got to turn the car off.
It's 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Do you know how long that took? 26 minutes. 26.
How do you get this key? I'm gonna break it.
Push and turn.
Got it.
So 26 minutes, not quite 10.
Okay. There's this boy who's staring at me in that store.
Like an old creepy man.
No, it's a boy.
What does that mean?
He's just staring at me at the checkout.
Oh, he probably thought you were pretty, Kanda.
No. No.
Isn't that okay?
Nope. Nope.
I'm so glad she's still like that and not boy crazy, because I know some 12-year-olds and 13-year-olds and relationships and having boys, and I'm very proud that she is not like that. She doesn't get mad when, you know, well, actually she's never even asked for a boy to call the house, but, you know, I think she'd respect that, and I feel like she respects herself, and I believe she's on the right track. So I'm really proud of her for staying level-headed and grounded and praying about what God wants for her life rather than what she wants. So I did not lock it. It locked.
Mommy locked it again.
Kanda, my hair is messed up. Daddy started the car with the electric starter and it automatically locks the doors. So blame him.
Daddy.
Alright, 26 minutes.
Man, was that not a long line?
When you got to the back of the truck, I stopped in.
Yeah, how long was that?
26 minutes.
26 minutes.
Mommy, it really was a long man. You were 6.
You were way off.
I told him that, he said hush.
We had somebody in front of us doing a special purchase, some kind of gazebo or something, and then the guy behind them was in front of us and he had to return.
So not your day for lines.
No. Well, we've been in line for 20 minutes.
You're still wrong though.
Can we eat at Subway, Dad?
Like 20 minutes being in line? That's a long time.
Right, on to the next stop.
Walmart.
Sorry.
Walmart. And if Walmart doesn't fix everything, then I have to go to Target and Walmart. So, we'll see. On to the next. So, it is now 8:50. We did not make it home by 8 o'clock. I knew we wouldn't. We went to a pizza place and ate a new to us, rather. And it was yummy. It was really good. Now I'm really full. But I still want a sweet treat, so we're going to run through Dairy Queen.
I hear something.
It's that alarm on that bank.
Where is Belgium? I hear it.
It's that alarm on that bank. Oh. No, across over there.
Oh, wow. It's in that building.
Oh, okay.
What is that? The Firestone? You think that... Oh, it says fire. Didn't it? Oh,
Police.
Emergency. What?
Said the police are called.
I wonder if somebody really done something or if it's just like coffee.
Could have been coffee because it's storm.
I wonder how long it's going to take for them to respond. Please. You have something.
You have violated a protective barrier the police have called. Please leave immediately. Leave immediately, not please. Please leave. It's saying leave.
You think it's when you say please, you broke in, I'm going to beg you to leave?
Well, you never know about this politically correct world around here. Don't want to tell nobody what to do.
We hope that you all had a great Friday, TGIF, and we will catch you next time.
No, hags.
What?
Hags. You don't know what that means? Have a great summer.
Oh, no, I had not heard that one. Hags. Nope. But anyway, we are going. I'm feeling too tired to even hardly talk, so we will catch you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.
See ya.
Mommy, later, Gator. Look.